Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a job at KFC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up a web browser and type in careers.kfc.com and hit enter. Make sure to put the .au at the end too, so let's do this again. careers.kfc.com.au. Then you'll be taken to this page where it says love KFC, why not get paid to work here? Now from here it will say at KFC we believe in being your best self at all ages, yada yada yada. Then you need to put in your date of birth, so go ahead and put that in now. Then hit submit. And then from here, go ahead and click on browse all jobs. And now once you're on this page, you've got some search filters here. So we need to put in some filters. So choose your country, state and city. So for this demonstration, I live in Adelaide, South Australia. So I'm going to choose Australia, state, South Australia, city, Adelaide. And then from here, it's going to show me 4 jobs, or all the jobs that are in that city. If I'm in Eastwood, it's going to be 2. You can see how many jobs available there. And now, if I like any one of these jobs here, I'm going to hit that apply button. So if I want to be a team member at City Cross, I'm going to go ahead and click on apply now. Then you'll come to this page where it says team member City Cross. So from here, it will give you some more information about the company and the role as well. Also the experience, no experience necessary. Also you got benefits and all that stuff. Then hit the apply now button. Then we'll give you more information about the company. Scroll down, and from here we just got to fill out this about you page. So put in your first name, last name, email address, mobile, street number, street name, town, etc, etc. You can also put in your LinkedIn URL if you wish. Also they've got some questions here to fill out, so put in your date of birth, put in a parent guardian email address. That's only if you're under 16. And then here, what team stuff do you do for fun? And then, are you currently studying at school, TAFE, university? Choose which one. If you've got work experience, you can put that in there as well. Which role are you interested in? So you've got a choice of customer service, food service, manager, happy to do anything. And then here it says, tell us why you're keen to work at KFC. So put in some information here. If you're not too sure what to write, just go to ChatGPT and say, hey, what's something I can say about how keen I am to work at KFC? And ChatGPT is pretty good at giving good answers. And then number 90, if your mates had to describe you, what would they say? So maybe text one of your mates and see what they say. And then your work availability, which is pretty critical. From here, how many shifts? So just keep filling out this form and fill it out to the best of your ability, then hit next. And then from here, just click onto next to get onto the next page to submit your application. And then give KFC some time to get back to you. That could be within a day or a couple of weeks, just depending how busy they are.